Hello there, my name's Hugh Dellar. I'm a teacher and teacher trainer and coursebook writer and methodologist based in North London. I've co-authored the 5-level General English series Outcomes and also the methodology book Teaching Lexically. And I'm delighted to announce that through the aid and assistance of Katya Bulatova, I'm going to be running a 3-day teacher development set of seminars and workshops this year in Kaliningrad. I was lucky enough to be in Kaliningrad earlier this year, and it's a real pleasure to be able to return for a longer period of time and to work in a bit more depth with the local teachers. So on the 30th and 31st of October and the 1st of November this year, 2018, we're going to be running 3 days of workshops and seminars. And during that time, we're going to explore in more detail the whole idea of teaching lexically. We're going to look a bit more at what a lexical view of language involves and how it differs from a more traditional grammar plus words view of language. We're going to look at the implications of this kind of view of language for classroom practice. We're going to explore how it will help your vocabulary teaching, how you can develop your vocabulary teaching in such a way that you give better examples, you explore the way words are used a bit more and go beyond just tackling meaning. You involve the class a bit more in adding to your examples and practicing and exploring the language a bit more, and hopefully making the classroom a bit more interactive, a bit more exciting, and a bit more connected to the outside world and to students' lives. We'll look at ways of revising and recycling vocabulary as well, and even look at ways in which vocabulary teaching can also help your grammar teaching. We'll also be exploring what we can do to help students get better at reading and listening. We'll look at what's needed in order to improve as a reader and how our reading lessons can really start to address that issue. We'll look at the problems students have with hearing spoken language and what we can do in the classroom to actually help them hear the language better. And we'll look at a whole load of different exercises and activities for improving students' listening skills. And finally, we'll be looking at ways of using the TED Talks series of videos from the internet in classrooms. We'll be looking at designing lessons based around TED Talks, how to write materials. We'll be looking at kinds of speaking activities that we can be doing around those kinds of videos and unpacking the kinds of issues that emerge from some of those videos and making them accessible to your learners. So I hope that's whetted your appetite, and I hope to see as many of you as possible this autumn live in Kaliningrad. Thank you. Bye.